All right, guys, let's had some questions about what I'm gonna bring on this 4 or 5 day backpacking trip through the Sierras there. From again, I think we'll be going through Horseshoe Meadows or Cottonwood Pass or Cottonwood Lakes, and we'll summit Langley, and then we'll go up to Sky Blue, and then we'll summit Mount Whitney. But here is what, as far as the clothing goes. So for a 4 day trip, I'll usually do two shirts, a pair of pants, some shorts, some socks, but I'll get into it here. So these are super lightweight. This is Outdoor Vitals hiking shirt, and I don't remember what the name is, but then it also has the hoodie. I like to have that. So I have two of those, two different colors. I also have, I think these are from Bass Pro Shop. They're pretty light. I like to wear pants. Some people like to wear shorts. I don't like my legs getting scratched up when I'm going through the bushes there, or mosquitoes. Got the belt. I'm not a real big fan of the belt with this metal here, but it does help because as I go on, it does I do need to keep cinching. But I might go with a different belt, to be honest with you. I have my two pairs of socks, two pairs of underwear. And again, the idea is that you will rinse out your socks, let them dry overnight, and underwear, and then you can reuse them the following day. So they shouldn't be too rank. So also I have a real pair of lightweight gym shorts, that I like to put in there too, just if I need to sit around camp and want to get something else, or want to wear something else. I got some thermals there at Under Armour top and bottom. I have a Mountain Hardwear puffy, starting to get a little old here, so it's almost time to get another one. But I got the puffy, and I have a North Face rain jacket. So the idea is, if I really need to layer up, you're talking about thermal top with a puffy with the rain jacket that's not very breathable. So it should be pretty warm when it comes to that. If there was, it's going to be warm regardless. But it's pretty lightweight, all this stuff, and it's not much to carry. So I have the beanie, and I have a hat, and then I have my Ultras hiking boots. And that's pretty much it for clothing.